When you start learning ReactJS, you can make a to-do list app like this in a few days. But to make an app like this, it takes a significant amount of time. So here at DataOps, we focus on providing you the industry standard knowledge from the very first class. And halfway through the course, you will be able to build an awesome to-do list app. And by the end of the course, you will learn all about ReactJS and be able to make a weather app with real-time data fetching. Wait, there is even more. Look at this stunning website. The to-do app and the weather app are part of this website. And as a cumulative learning process, you will build this site bit by bit from scratch, where each tab opens up a new page which is built using the corresponding topic, and in every session you will use all the topics covered in the previous sessions as well. Along with setup, syntax and fundamentals of React, we focus on integration with HTML, CSS and JavaScript as well to write efficient, error-free, optimized code to build complex web applications. As a result, you can answer all the interview questions correctly to land your dream front-end developer job. In conclusion, when you have a good grasp on ReactJS, it opens career pathways you have never ever imagined before. And then the sky is the limit, the lower limit. But hey, the website you just saw is not our site, that's what you are going to build. So please visit our website www.dataops.co.in to enroll now and join the live weekend and weekday online sessions.